He never did learn that being mean doesn't pay. People don't like to be teased every day.
Millie Balzerini has always loved two things: books and children. She has 3 kids of her own and 5 grandchildren who love to be read to.
He lived on a pretty little farm.
After taking a children's literature course at NMU, she decided to write one of her own, pulling from her experiences as both a teacher and a student.
I think as a child in school, you see other kids that are getting picked on, and I always felt that it was wrong. Nobody would ever stand up for them, and I thought, now when bullying is quite an issue, I thought this would be something that teachers or parents could open up that door of communication and talk with their kids about how wrong bullying is.
But to be able to illustrate the dangers, she needed some help, which to her surprise, happened to be hanging right in front of her on her own family tree.
One day when I found out that I had this wonderful relative who was an artist, I thought maybe he and I could collaborate and put together a children's book.
Something her colorful cousin never pictured himself doing.
Then we'll build a ray gun and make everybody wear a diaper.
No, I'd never done anything like this before. It's really out of my character. As a younger man listening to the AC/DC and Metallica, I was drawing skulls and, Batman busting someone up. So had you told me I would be drawing flowers and sheep and stuff, at this time in my life, I just would have never believed it. Well, the first sheep, he wasn't looking so hot.
But it's easy to see from both his personality and his craft that Mike has a knack for bringing characters to life.
The toughest part was trying to convey emotions in the faces of the characters as well as the animals. You have to be dead on with your eyes, the mouth, and even the way the hands are gestured. I also sometimes would just step in front of the mirror and start making different facial expressions to understand, okay, I'm happy this time, or I'm mad this time, and then I would figure out how to do my line drawings.
And through the emotions beaming out of each character's eye, children can begin to understand the fear bullying generates and appreciate the message of the book.
You can influence another person not to play with somebody or not to include them in things, or to treat them badly. And I think that this is something that, kids aren't going to learn these things unless their parents talk to them about them.
Hopefully Stanley, his friends, and even that mean old fox help in starting the conversation.
These guys aren't going to be bullies, are they?
No.
Reporting for ABC 10 and CW5, I'm Rick Tarsitano.